Hello, this is John Patrick, and you're watching Manimato 5 another episode. Madagascar toy, the new McDonald's toy. Number 8. We have a monkey in her feet. This is Melman a new toy in Madagascar 3 of Mac. And you get this to a rope with the two strings first. And now you will make do like a zip line. You make sure there's a arrow and arrow, like this.
Magnet yun eh.
And when you get this in there, okay. You put the rope in here. Okay, let's do this. And thank you for watching another video of my channel, Money12545. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in another episode or video.